And then my brother took this bucket of water and he threw it on me, okay? And it soaked into my pants, and it wouldn't have been a big deal if the wind hadn't come from the north and froze me to death, okay? And then spring break was just over.
Hi, I'm Adriana, and that's Zach, and this is Calm TV.
In honor of Women's History Month, you can acknowledge an extraordinary woman in your life on the hashtag Because of Her banner in TVB Hallway 1300.
That better be me.
Of course, babe. The banner will be posted through March 31st. Adriana.
The Jazz Ensemble will be performing Tuesday, March 20th at 7:30 p.m. in the Fine Arts Building in room 117.
They will also be performing on Sunday, March 25th at Kemah Boardwalk as part of the GCIC Jazz Festival. Performances will start at 1 p.m. and include local community colleges such as Com, Alvin, Brazosport, and San Jac. Oh, and it's free.
Com will be hosting a free tax prep workshop in TVB room 1220 Tuesday, March 20th during college hour. A list of the documentations you'll need to bring can be found in the description on our YouTube channel.
Spikeball, Wednesday, March 21st at 2 p.m. in the gym. It's a cross between volleyball and handball. What could go wrong? A lot. The details are in the description below. The link to the details it's in the YouTube description below. The YouTube link to the details is in the YouTube description below on the YouTube page. Click it!
Are you going to be graduating this semester? Well, graduation application deadline is March 30th, so go meet with your advisor so you can get out of here.
It's like a kitty.
The Fairly Odd Parents, y'all know like those like monotone like business fairies? Like I feel like that's me, and I feel like Cosmo is Zach. It's up there. It's a plane.
No, that's a bird.
Oh, that's a bird. I feel like, okay, I got this. I've got this.